How to enable two-factor authentication on WordPress. So before we start, check out the best hosting recommended by professionals with decades of testing and experience. To choose your, click the link in the description below. So let's get started. The first thing is we need to install a plugin which is also a security plugin. So scroll all the way until you see plugins and tap on add new plugin. Once you tap on this will take you to this page where you need to tap on the search icon and simply search for WP two-factor authentication plugin or something else like that, and this will shows up bunch of two-factor authenticator. So the one that I am going to use now is the first one, so tap on this and then tap on install now button. Once you are done installing, tap on this activate, and then this will take you to this page where you need to tap on let's get started, and the first option is one time code via two-factor authenticator application. So let's say you are using Google Authenticator like most people do. You can check mark this if you only want one time code on your two-factor authentication application or TOTP as well. The second option is one-time code via email. If you want to go with this option, you can do so. For me, I'm just going with the two-factor authenticator application and tap on continue setup. Once you do so, you also have backup codes enabled in case something went wrong, and then tap on continue setup again. And as you can see, the last option is do you want to enforce 2FA for some or all users. So I am going for the last one, which is do not enforce on any users, and tap on all done. Once you are done, the next step is you need to set up your authenticator with your Google Authenticator. If you are using, you can simply scan this particular QR code. Once you have scanned the QR code, you just need to enter the authentication code and then tap on validate and save, and you are good to go. So that was the process of how you can enable two-factor authentication on WordPress.